What's up, YouTube? It's the Real Coke Burnout. Welcome back to my
snake pit.
whoosh, whoosh. Got us a little mail call here. Mail call. So I'm gonna keep them down so you don't, in case they don't want their addresses seen. This one's just a quick thank you card from Michelle. Her channel is Michelle Just Playing. She also does she's one of the hosts of the Jammy Time bacon chats over on the YouTube. So she's just thanking me for a knife I sent, but you're welcome. And you know, she kind of started it first because she sent my little girls some paracord bracelets that lit up, so that was really cool. Cool person. Go check out her channel. And then the second one is from Pop's Quest. And he finally, looks like he finally got him some swag, some decals for his, or logo decals for his channel. He sent me a little group of them. There's no note there. Yeah, there's no note, but he sent me doubles on these. So there we go. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna head on over to the beer fridge, put these up, and do some beer fridge shout outs. All right. Beer fridge. I'm just gonna move these targets down, move some of my magnets around to the side for now. Right there. See, there we go. All right, so I got some space open here, and so there we go. It's showing up on camera. Yeah, Pop's Quest. And he has his Pop's cabinet shop, cabinet maker, and if you don't know, that's his little, that's a picture image of his AR-15, and he also does AK mag loaders. So I'm thinking I'm actually going to do it like this, and then keep this circle theme going straight down, so that'll work out. Decal didn't know who he was messing with. Money. Yeah. Come on, just stick it on there. Coolness. All right. Time for the beer fridge shout outs. Let's take a look here, and I like to do them in order that I received them, or at least try to. So smilemoney, salty Shellback, we have 504 Dirt Dart, Mr. Bulletpoints, we have the Jammy Time, so that's for the Jammy Time bacon chat, and that is Michelle Just Playing's chat there, along with Dish. Then we have the HrntFixr, and he also gave me an extra one, so it's a magnet. I put it over there. Now I got Pop's Cabinet Shop decal, and this is his YouTube channel, Pop's Quest. All right. If you got a channel decal you want to swap out with me, I have a few of my old style. I'm still trying to get a legit logo going, and by logo I don't want some pieced together cartoony image like I've already got here, because I can do that myself. You believe I paid 50 bucks for that? Bull crap. But I'm working on that. Anyway, if you want some, if you have some channel logo swag, decal, you want up on my beer fridge, hey, send it on. I'll put it up. Boom.